AirPods Pro 3, released in September 2024, track your heart rate using optical sensors. This data seamlessly integrates with Apple's Fitness app and is displayed in real time via Dynamic Island on iPhone 14 Pro and later models. Make sure your AirPods firmware is up to date for the best accuracy. This integration turns your earbuds into a fitness companion, showing your BPM, workout duration, and burned calories, all without needing an Apple Watch. First, pair your AirPods Pro 3 with your iPhone by opening the case near the phone and following the on-screen prompts. Next, go to Settings, select AirPods, choose your AirPods, tap Heart Rate, and turn it on. Then, open the Fitness app and start a workout like running or cycling. Your heart rate will now appear in Dynamic Island as a live activity during the workout. If it doesn't show, ensure Show When Locked is enabled in Settings, Face ID and Passcode allow access when locked. Ensure the earbuds fit snugly by running the ear tip fit test. If issues persist, restart the workout or reset your AirPods.